to anger and great in power, and will not at all acquit the wicked. The Lord hath his way in the whirlwind and in the storm, and the clouds are the dust of his feet. The noise of a whip and the noise of the rattling of the wheel, and of the prancing horses, and of the jumping chariots. Thy shepherds slumber, O King of Assyria. Thy nobles shall dwell in the dust. Thy people is scattered upon the mountains, and no man gathereth them.
No man gathereth them.
The noise of a whip and the noise of the rattling of the wheel, and of the prancing horses, and of the jumping chariots. The Lord is good, a stronghold in the day of trouble, and he knoweth them that trust in him.
The Lord is good, a stronghold in the day of trouble, and he knoweth them that trust in him.
The noise of a whip,
Noise of a whip,
and the noise of the rattling of the whip, and of the prancing horses, and of the jumping chariots. Behold upon the mountains the feet of him that bringeth good tidings, that publisheth peace. O Judah, keep thy solemn feasts, perform thy vows, for the wicked shall no more pass through thee. He is utterly cut off.
behold upon